Good morning, frugal friends. I am here to let you know about this amazing deal. If you want fresh, free asparagus, listen to what I have to tell you. Today is the last day, so listen carefully. Here is the flyer for No Frills. This is from March 11th to March 24th. So if you buy any of these 4 products, any of them, you will get 4,000 PC points, which, as we all know from explaining it several times, 4,000 PC points is the equivalent of $4. So if you buy any 4 asparagus from No Frills only, you will get 4,000 points. Now, the asparagus is, I believe, $1 something or maybe even $2 at No Frills right now. But if you go to your Flip app, pull up Food Basics, they have asparagus. Today is the last day for 99 cents for a bunch, up to 325 grams. The bunches are 325 grams to begin with. So go to your No Frills, price match Food Basics, buy 4 bunches of asparagus, and you will get back 4,000 points, which is, like I said, you'll get back $4 on your PC card. So you can use $4 towards your next purchase. And to be honest with you, you're actually going to make 4 cents because if they're 99 cents each, you're making 4 cents. So run to your No Frills by the end of the day, pick up your asparagus, and enjoy. Thanks for watching.